Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we just fitted another Halo Mini on a 2019 Toyota RAV4 with this proximity key. Customer's super paranoid, had her sister's car stolen, so didn't want this one to go. So how the system works, I've just turned off the start button. As soon as I open the door, if you're watching the top corner here and down there, we'll get the fog light and the full beam flash. It means the system will become armed. Watch carefully. There you go. System is now armed. So now every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, start button on. So basically let's turn the start button. So accessory, main, without your foot on the brake. On here we've done something very basic. On these Toyotas you have to be quite slow and hold for a little bit longer. So we're going to do tap, 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 tap. And then we're going to get the fog light. And we're going to get the full beam in the corner. So if you watch carefully, I'm going to go tap, 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 tap. See the flash? Foot on the brake. The vehicle now goes to ready. Watch carefully. Vehicle's now gone to ready. Okay, vehicle is now running. Okay, really simple and straightforward. When you leave the vehicle, just basically open the door. There you go, the two flash again, system is armed. If I now try and put my foot on the brake and try and start it, you'll see the vehicle just will not go to ready, okay? See, I'm starting, foot on the brake, it just won't go to ready, okay? So really simple, every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, no foot on the brake, tap the start button once for accessory, tap again for main ignition, yellow and red lights on. Now we have to do it quite slow on these, so push, hold, release, push, hold, release, push, hold, release, push, hold, release. I'm going to show you again. So push, hold, release, push, hold, release, push, hold, release, push, hold, release. There's our flash. And now foot on the brake, the vehicle goes to ready. Okay. If the customer wanted to place it in valet mode, this is also very, very simple. And the way they would do that, let's let the system arm first of all. There you go. There's the flash. So this time we're not going to start the vehicle. Again, we're going to tap the start to accessory, then to main, but this time we're going to put the code in, and on the last press of the last push sequence we're going to hold for 15 to 20 seconds, and we're going to get a 5 flash handshake after we've passed authorization. So I'm not going to show you the code, but I'm going to show you the procedure. So tap, hold, release, tap, hold, release, tap, hold, release, tap and hold. There's our disarm. I'm holding, keep watching. We'll keep watching, full beam in the bottom left and rear fog in the top right where the clock is. We'll get a 5 flash handshake and it will go into valet mode. There you go. There it is in valet mode now, okay? So if I now turn off the start button, open and close the door, the system will not arm, no flashes, so therefore you can give it to a car wash or a service, get it serviced, and you don't have to disclose the code. So foot on the brake, there you go, car goes straight to ready, okay? Simple and straightforward. When you get the vehicle back, just do exactly the same, no foot on the brake, start button once for accessory, again for main ignition. So put your code in and hold on the last press, so tap, 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 hold. So if you keep watching now, within about 15 to 20 seconds while I'm holding, we'll get the flash to say that it's coming out of valet mode. So keep watching, near the clock, watch carefully, there you go, done. Okay, if I turn off the start button now, open the door, system has now become armed again. Okay, now finally we want to change the push sequence. So first of all we need to pass authorization. So start button once for accessory, again for main ignition. Now we need to pass authorization. So tap, 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 tap. We've got our flash. Now this time we tap the accelerator to the floor. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's our flash to say we're in learn mode. So now I have 5 seconds, well, just to turn off the ignition. So I'm going to go tap, tap, tap. Start button off within 5 seconds. There's our flash and the new code has now been learned. So let's just open and close the door. Turn the start button, tap, tap. So main ignition on, sorry. Try the old code. No disarm. Turn the start button off and back on. We'll try the new code. So slowly push, push, push. There's our new code. Foot on the brake and start the vehicle. As I said, this is the Halo Mini fitted to the Toyota RAV4 2019. There are other CANBUS Immobilisers that are having issues with this vehicle, but for us it's quite straightforward. As I said, if you want to get one of these fitted, my name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 0289060478, 0289060478. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.